So now that you've learned what climate change is, what are some of the effects that we can feel in Singapore? Well, one is definitely that the days are going to get much hotter, and I'm sure you've felt this at home. Another effect is rising sea levels, where melting ice in the Antarctica or the Arctic has caused sea levels across the world to rise, and this may cause flooding when it rains. Have you ever wondered why all MRTs in Singapore have steps that are at the entrances, steps that go up? Well, it's for this very reason. We are afraid that when it rains, it will flood and cause water to go into our MRT stations. So this is one of the ways that Singapore has built steps on all MRT stations to combat the effects of climate change. In short, there are many ways that climate change impacts Singapore: rising sea levels, greater rainfall, higher daily temperatures, and other effects like health and diseases, because when there's a higher temperature, mosquitoes breed faster, and this will cause things like malaria and dengue. Well, having looked at all these various effects of climate change, what is one effect that you feel strongly about? Write down your comments in the interactive thinking tool below.